here in Lady Brunt. Everything's packed and ready to go. We've got a short little stage this morning, 75 kilometers, so it should take us around about 2 hours, just over 2 hours I think. But yeah, it's going to be short. The weather is good, it's nice and cool this morning. We're going to start off with a little transfer to just down the road. Yeah, we can't really start here because it's a national highway. So we'll just drive a little bit down the road and then we'll take it off from there. So we just arrived here from where we're starting this morning. We're riding to Velo. It's quite interesting, we're about 3.5 k's away from the border of Lesotho actually today. We aren't going into Lesotho. It would have been great, but we're not going in there. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and please subscribe, please like my vlog. You can also follow us on Instagram on Velo Being. Put some pictures on there and all of that, and then cool, go well. So we've just stopped here on our way to today's stop. We're riding through what feels like in between Lesotho. Some beautiful mountains all around us. It's really pretty. But yeah, and Eval's playing us some good music. Christoph asked that he's got something to say that he wants me to put on the vlog. So Christoph, what have you got to add for us this morning?
When you are on the road for 6-7 hours, your mind wanders. So I'm learning Zulu. Trying to, because apparently people can't speak English Afrikaans here, so I'm getting cultured.
If you are wondering what it's about, check out Eval's vlog called Cyclematic. He explained the joke on there, so you can go and check it out there. Cool. So we're riding along, Evald and I are riding on the front, and the wind is absolutely pumping. I mean, we're doing 45 k's an hour, I don't know if you can see that, and we're actually putting in no effort. It's almost, the wind's almost pushing us without even having to pedal.